Passive income. It's the dream, right? Earning money while you sleep, travel, or simply enjoy life to the fullest. But what exactly is it, and why is it so important in 2024 and beyond? Passive income is money earned regularly with minimal effort to maintain it, unlike active income. Imagine a stream flowing effortlessly, bringing in a consistent flow of income day and night. This contrasts with active income, where you trade your time and energy for money. In today's fast-paced world, having multiple income streams is crucial for stability. Passive income provides financial security, flexibility, and the freedom to live on your own terms. It empowers you to pursue your passions, weather economic storms, and create a brighter future for yourself and your family. The year 2024 presents unique opportunities for passive income generation like never before. Technology has opened doors to innovative methods, allowing you to leverage your skills and interests like never before. Are you ready to dive in and start your journey towards financial freedom?
Section 5. Affiliate marketing earning while you learn. Ever wondered how bloggers and influencers make money online? Affiliate marketing is one of their secret weapons, and it's more accessible than you might think. It's a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. By partnering with brands and sharing their products with your audience, you can generate passive income every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. Choose products or services that align with your niche and audience to maximize your earnings. Be transparent about your affiliations and focus on providing value to your followers, ensuring trust. David, a travel blogger, partnered with travel companies and included affiliate links in his blog posts and social media content. He earned a commission on every booking made through his links, funding his travel adventures and lifestyle. Affiliate marketing is a win-win situation for both creators and brands. You earn income while providing your audience with valuable recommendations they can trust. It's a great way to monetize your platform and build trust with your followers, creating a loyal community.
Section 6. Online courses and digital products sharing your expertise. Are you passionate about a particular subject or skill? Do you have valuable knowledge or expertise to share with others? Creating and selling online courses or digital products can be a lucrative way to generate passive income and reach a wider audience. Online courses provide a structured learning experience, while digital products offer instant downloads and practical solutions. From cooking to coding, the possibilities for topics are endless. Identify your target audience, create high-quality content that resonates with them, and choose a suitable platform to host your courses or products effectively. Lisa, a certified yoga instructor, created an online yoga course and an accompanying ebook. Her digital products provided accessible and affordable yoga instruction to a global audience, generating a steady stream of passive income for her. Sharing your expertise not only generates income for you, but also empowers others with valuable knowledge and skills. It's a fulfilling way to make a difference in people's lives while building a sustainable and rewarding business.
Section 7. Creating and selling stock content. Monetizing your creativity. Are you a talented photographer, videographer, or graphic designer? Monetize your creative skills by creating and selling stock content. Stock websites and platforms provide a marketplace for photographers, videographers, and designers to sell their work to businesses, marketers, and individuals. Research popular stock content categories. Create high-quality work and upload it to reputable stock platforms. Mark, a freelance photographer, uploaded his travel photography to stock websites. His stunning images were licensed by travel agencies, magazines, and bloggers, generating passive income from his passion. Selling stock content allows you to earn royalties from your creative work long after you've created it. It's a great way to diversify your income and turn your passion into profit.
Section 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Investing in your community. Peer-to-peer, or P2P, lending is an innovative way to invest in your community while earning passive income. It connects borrowers directly with investors, bypassing traditional financial institutions. As an investor, you lend money to borrowers through online platforms. You earn interest payments on your loans, providing a return on your investment. Research different P2P lending platforms, assess borrower creditworthiness, and diversify your investments to mitigate risk. For example, Jane, a marketing professional, invested in P2P lending, supporting small business owners and earning higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. P2P lending offers a socially responsible way to invest your money while earning passive income. It's a win-win situation for both borrowers and investors.
Section 9. Emerging Trends in Passive Income for 2024. The landscape of passive income is constantly evolving. In 2024, we're seeing exciting new trends emerge. Virtual real estate, NFT rentals, and play-to-earn games offer unique passive income opportunities. AI-powered tools and platforms can automate tasks, create content, and generate passive income. The rise of online creators has opened doors to monetization through sponsorships, brand deals, and fan subscriptions. Stay informed about emerging trends, explore new technologies, and adapt your passive income strategies accordingly. The future of passive income is bright. By embracing innovation and staying ahead of the curve, you can unlock limitless possibilities.
Section 10. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Building passive income streams takes time, effort, and consistency. It's important to stay motivated and overcome challenges along the way. Start small, celebrate milestones, and gradually scale your efforts. Continuously learn new skills, attend webinars, and stay updated on industry trends. Connect with like-minded individuals, join online communities, and seek guidance from mentors. View setbacks as learning opportunities, adjust your strategies, and never give up on your dreams. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, persistent, and believe in yourself.
Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the journey to financial freedom. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey that requires dedication, strategy, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By exploring the various avenues discussed in this essay, you're empowered to take control of your financial future and create a life of freedom and abundance. Remember, the first step is always the hardest. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The possibilities are truly endless. Now go out there and make your dreams a reality. The world is your oyster.